There are lots of great tools for digital geometry processing. But what if your surface already has a texture on it? Then all of a sudden, even something as basic as a normal displacement can really mess up the way things look. We present a fast, simple framework for geometry processing that makes sure textures get the attention and the love that they deserve. As an added bonus, mesh elements that would normally get skewed and mangled stay nice and round and well behaved. For the experts in the audience, we characterize for the first time all possible conformal transformations of surfaces in 3 dimensions using a simple linear integrability condition. I'll explain what all this means in simple terms at the Discrete differential geometry session on Thursday.